Hello guys, again we are back with a new unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Parkside performance cordless drill 20 volt. This is the model PABSP 20V B2. This is a brushless motor. We have up to 85% higher charging current, up to 70% higher torque and 10x longer motor life. Compatible with the model PABS 20V D4. You can see right in the corner the video of this model. We've got 5 years warranty from Lidl, Leon technology, 20 volt, 2 Ah battery, spin lock. It belongs the battery to the Parkside X20 volt team battery, compatible with all tools in the Parkside X20 volt team series. That means it's not only for the performance lines, that is the gray and black, it is for the regular line, the green and black. We've got 60 Newman max torque. First gear is 0 to 500, second gear is 0 to 2000 RPM. Torque level 21, 1 drilling settings. Chubbing rate is 1.5 to 33 millimeters. Max drilling diameter is 38 millimeters in wood and 13 millimeters in steel. We can see accessories, how it looks, some pictures, and let's open it to see what we have inside. First, we can see Parkside black, Parkside performance with a red. That's a very nice case, very durable. And there we are, voila. Inside included, we've got the fat manual. If you want to read it, it's your choice, but stay with me. I'm gonna find out all about this tool. We've got the charger. The charger is the PLG20B1. We've got the green LED indicator and the red LED indicator. Nice. Included, we have the bell hook. You can adjust it here. Into the battery, we can see the button for the indicator, red, yellow and green. Nice. Push this button and you can take out the battery. The battery is the PAP20A1. You can lock it. Feels very nice. We have some sticker here. We've got the LED working light. When you are stopped working, it stays on for a few seconds. We have the first year, second year, left, right, in the middle it locks, you cannot do anything. We've got a metallic keyless chuck. Torch selection ring, 1 to 21, and then drilling. Brushless, Parkside performance brushless and the model. Feels very nice to my hand. The grip is very soft. It's very light. Of course, it's a brushless motor. It sounds nice. Into the future, I will do a testing how long it will last this battery with this model. I have already done a video, you can see right in the corner, with the other model, the non-performance model. I have tested with this battery 2000 milliamps and the 4000 milliamps, and we are going to make a comparison how long it will last with this model. Well, I think next it's time for testing, and the first testing is I'm going to test it on a wood, drilling a wood. First I will try this point drill bit for wood. It ties very well by hand. Drilling mode. This is a 9 centimeter of wood. Nice. Let's try with the first year. It's slower, yes. and with the second is very fast. Next I will try with this spade drill bit again. Second year. All the way out. Very easy. Nice. Now let's see next test in drilling on a wall. I have used the 10mm of drill bit for concrete. Second year. Very easy. Of course, with that you cannot drill on a concrete. It doesn't have a hammer drilling. Now, next test is drilling on a steel. Well, here we are. That's nice. We've got some screws and it's time for testing to see how it goes into the wood. I will start with the smaller ones. We've got on screw, let's put it 20, first year. And very easy, it goes all the way. Let's see the smaller. With no problem. Now let's try the bigger one. Wow, and with no problem, all the way in. Nice. Let's see this one. It's a bigger. Again with no problem. And another one. Nice. I think it's doing a great job, thumbs up. And with all that, guys, I think my test is in the end, my video is in the end. What do you think about this Parkside Performance Cordless Drill 20 volt with a brushless motor? Please leave down below to the comments your thoughts. I think it's a great tool. It costs about 70 euros. Brushless motor, more efficient, what you want. Of course, as I said, I'm going to test the battery into this tool, compare it with the other brand that is non-performance tool from Parkside. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. If you need to buy this tool, for me, definitely buy it. 5 years warranty from Lidl. What else you need? What company it gives 5 years warranty? And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future coming and you don't want to miss it. I have more tools about this performance line from Parkside. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.